Google is lowering the cost of its cheapest AI subscription to make Gemini models even easier to access. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to hub for the latest tech news. In order to attract more users, the company has now lowered the cost of the Google AI Plus plan. According to a post from Gus Consol, the company's product lead focused on Gemini AI subscriptions, said the plan will now cost $5 per month, down from its original $8 per month price. Not only the price has lowered, but the storage is upgraded too. The plan now comes with double the storage of 400 GB instead of 200. The subscription plan became available in January 2026 as a cheaper way to access Google's Gemini 3 Pro model, Nano Banana Pro, and Deep Research. Google previously offered those features as part of its more expensive AI Pro plan, but Plus lowered the price in exchange for more severe usage limits. Sweetening the deal further now that Google I/O 2026 has come and gone, the AI Plus plan also includes new benefits like AI-powered email tools, a new daily brief agent that can summarize your upcoming day in the Gemini app, and access to Gemini Omni, Google's newest AI model for generating video from any input. Your usage limit may vary with Google's AI features, but getting double the storage for half the price is obviously meant to be a deal that's hard to say no to. You can sign up for the AI Plus plan now on Google's website. According to Consol, existing subscribers should see their extra storage space in the next few days and the updated subscription price on their next bill. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.